Okay, so welcome back guys in this module. In this module you are going to learn the practical copywriting. I am going to give you a formula which you can use to write any kind of bullet point, any kind of, you can also say, sub headline, and you can turn any content into copywriting. See, basically like I have given you a formula like attraction, emotion, content, transition and offer. But how copywriters content? How copywriters write content? And there is a 360-degree angle when a content writer writes content and when copywriters write the content. So I am going to like take you onto my screen and actually going to write something practical step going to give you, and you can use this formula anywhere. Let me also tell you, there are 7 ways to write great bullet points. 7 ways. I am only giving you first one. Remaining 6 goes beyond this video. Okay, this is the expert secrets landing page, and you are seeing here a lot of bullet points, and all these bullet points have been written using all those 7 kinds of bullet point formulas. Okay, now if you see here guys, you can see that these people have used very amazing bullet points, and you can also see that these bullet points are the key factors to arouse curiosity in the hearts of the people who come to this landing page. And because of only these bullet points, this page is generating trust on the people, on the audience. Okay, read any bullet point. For example, let me read a bullet point, for example this one: how to create a powerful aha moment for your customers that gives them clarity on how to solve their problem. Okay, so that they have already pre-sold themselves on your solution before you have even made the offer. Now here 3 things you need to understand. First, that they has a point. Okay, second, they are giving solution, that is so that or so you can. Let me also tell you that how I received this formula. I used to observe high quality landing pages. I learned this formula accidentally, and I used to write copies using this kind of stuff. But later on, I also discovered this formula in Dan Lock's copies, or you can say any single copies. Okay, in fact I found this also when I read that is Copywriting Secrets by Jim Edwards. Okay, all things are same, just how you use them or how you give them, how we copywriters give them is different. Okay, so point so you can. So here you can see this is the example when my client give me like so many points to write copy. So using these points I write sales copy for them like this one. So this is a free lead generation landing page where we are generating sales. So we are giving them a free course, and when they opt for a free course, they are redirected to this upsell page. Believe me guys, these guys have generated more than 30 lakhs rupees online. I am going to give you proof also. Okay, using this sales funnel, because this funnel doesn't end only on 1000 rupees course. This funnel goes up to like expensive courses also. Okay, so you can see here that each and every point I have used and converted into copy. For example, like you can see that here they are having so many points. Now what I have done, like this is a free page, how to touch your client's dream and get maximum sales in minimum time so that you can close more sales. So that यहाँ पे भी आया, so that even here we are using so that you can close more sales, more deals. Remember, people love to buy emotions, fantasies. They may spend their entire wealth on their dreams. The secret formula that no one knows in the sales industry, sales skating formula. If you can master this secret, you are all set to hit your goals and targets. And actually this is not a secret, this is the most important thing to master as a professional and big money sales guy. Art of telling stories. Remember facts. Remember, facts tell, stories sell. So what I am doing, in each and every point I am arousing curiosity, and I am making this program which I am selling, that this is the world's biggest and successful sales program. You have to be attracted, and you have to be sold to yourself before you write any copy. So I was very curious when I was writing this copy. Okay, similarly you can see here I have made so many points here, like module number 5, get the complete step by step system involved in opening a call, make it easy for you and also make it super easy for your customer to buy from you, because ultimately sales process must look like they are buying, not you are selling them. Okay, so as I have told you that there are 7 bullet point formulas, I am going to give you one. Now I will write a bullet point before you. For example, the art of telling stories. Now for example, your client or you are doing a webinar, or even you are selling this thing on your pages, art of telling stories. So use this formula like this. Like it, so you can, so that. So the basic formula is this: use so what in front of every point, and then turn it into so what. So you have to put so what in front of each and every point which you want to convert into copy, and then you have to turn it into so that. For example, the art of telling stories, so what, so that, like learn the art of stories, art of telling stories, so what, so that you can mesmerize your prospect. Okay, simple enough. Let's go more deeper. How to show confidence to your customer होगा यहाँ पे. How to create customized unique experience for your customer. Okay, how to create customized unique experience for your customer, so what. Okay, so like how to create customer experience, customize unique experience, customize unique experience for your customer, so what, so that you can make them feel that you genuinely care for them. Simple enough. Now what you can do, you can highlight this genuinely care for them like this. Okay, now this formula doesn't end here, we have one more thing. So it's like so let me turn it into now red color so that you can easily recognize. So now the formula is, it's also called like ultimate bullet formula. It's like point, so you can, or so what, and then even if, you can use even if or which means. Okay, this is the ultimate bullet formula. Now let's make these bullet points more sexy using this formula. Learn the art of telling stories so that you can mesmerize your prospect, which means you never miss a bigger client. Okay, Now you can do one thing also. You can use, for example, there is something we want to say into the like in bullet formula itself, but there is something which we want to add like in brackets. So in brackets I am adding fact, stories sell, facts tell. So now with this bracket held like line, our prospect who will be reading this this bullet point, he will also agree with it. Oh yeah, he's right. So basically there is something called yes funnel. What is yes funnel? Although yes funnel I completely go into detail in my paid program. Yes funnel, or you can say yes bhav, yes emotion is each and everything when you write copywriting. When you do copywriting, you must have read that book, how to win friends and influence people. So what is the story behind it is that if you want to sell something to someone, so your entire sales process from lead generation to closing the sale, the customer must have yes emotion on all the stages. Like he likes your Facebook ad, yes. He likes your introduction, yes. He likes your story, yes. He likes your content, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Then ultimately big yes for your sales. Okay. Now convert it into convert the second formula, second bullet point into a genuine bullet formula. How to create a customized unique experience for your customer so that you can make them feel that you genuinely care for them, which means they are made feel that your company is the best company for them. It may look like that it is becoming like bigger one, but don't worry about it. You can use bullet formulas up to 3.5, like 3 lines, then 0.5, maximum 3.5 lines. Okay, now let's use this formula. Let me go to Amazon, find some products and use it there. For example, this is a peanut butter. Okay, so they have written like goodness of honey here. For gym goers, dieters, naturally delicious, high protein and fiber. Okay, so let's use this bullet point. Now when you read these things, there is no any emotion attracting. There is no any funky or there is no any stylish in it. I don't want to read it. It's like simple instructions, but let's convert into a great bullet point. So let us come back here. So what they are saying, high protein and fiber. Okay, use 2 spoons a day so that you can feel energy entire day, which means you have a lot of energy for your gym, for your exercise and your job too. Oh, it means it has a lot of energy. Okay, you can also say that use 2 spoons a day so that you can feel energy entire day, even if you feel bad. Okay, so basically that is what that is how we write great bullet points. I know that you are enjoying this module a lot, so let's go to like something else and try to use this formula there. For example, there are so many companies which claim to have great cameras. Okay, so let us go to a product which says that they have great quality. For example, Oppo Reno 6. So they are saying like 64 megapixel camera plus 8 megapixel. Okay, let's pick up this. Come here and 60 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel 330 matlab. So 3 cameras they are providing back side and 1 camera front side. Okay, so let's write a great bullet point for 32 megapixel camera. You're ready? Okay. Use 32 megapixel camera so that you can make high quality, so that you can take quality selfies. Okay, which means you don't have to run after DSLR cameras. Get 64 megapixel plus 8 megapixel camera to record high quality videos, so you can make great videos for your reels or channel online, which means you don't have to spend a lot of money on camera now. Oh, I think now these bullet points are looking beautiful. Now you may have a question, then why, Kabir, these so big companies don't use bullet points like this? See, what happens is that there are two types of copywriting. The copywriting which I am teaching you is internet copywriting, where you will use this copywriting to promote products and services. Whereas there is a copywriting which is strictly for products. So you may have seen the landing pages of Samsung and iPhones. They are using very short lines like all is beautiful, what if. So that is a complete program, and that is a complete psychological method to write big things into small pictures. Okay, so if you see like any MacBook copywriting, like MacBook Pro, so here you will be seeing that the formula which I have given you, that is not, can't be applied here directly. Okay, so first let us go to their landing page. So first of all, there is a graphic, all systems pro. Now there is a headline, small chip giant leap. Okay, 8 core CPU. Now, so these headlines which you are reading, these are not although these are also written by copywriters, Retina Display, but this is a complete different module which you will get in my bigger program when you enroll into that. Okay, so you don't have to go anywhere to learn this kind of copywriting. I'm going to teach you this kind of copywriting into my bigger stuff, but for now I'm pretty sure that you have got an idea how to write great bullet points. And you can see, I can show you my work, that how I have used this. For example, this is one of the copy of my client. Finally unlock the systems of Instagram business system that makes guaranteed $1,000 to $10,000 a month. Create not only one but multiple source of income just from Instagram. Get paid for clients, promotions, consulting and coaching. So you can use this stuff anywhere. And you see, this is my landing page, my workshop landing page. The number one skill you must have in this pandemic and modern world to become a highly respected entrepreneur and business consultant, if you want to be. Hint, it's not about running a coaching business, or it's not about making hundreds of videos on social media to look like a fancy successful entrepreneur. It's about being great at this one damn skill. Okay, so although you may see that there is no any I have not used so that or so you can, which means here, but as I have told you, there are 7 ways to write great bullet points. So I must insist that you do join 7-figure copywriting mastery, which is amazing. You can find the link to join 7-figure copywriting mastery at the end of this landing page, wherever you see this video. Okay, so meet you in the next module. Thank you so much guys.